Hello everyone, welcome to Slim to Slim channels and top 18 beauty makeup brands and popular one product for brands know and see in this video. Today I show you a top 1 to 18 top trends in the USA beauty makeup brands show you. So let's go and to here full video and know and see top 18 beauty products and which product are best for according to channel trends in the USA and all of the world and best brands and channel makeup brands in found channel makeup brand is one of the most popular and best authentic and reality and best awarded cosmetic brand in the USA and channel brands older than century 1 century and also trends on the world popularity gain from perfume sectors and perfume this brand perfume sectors is highly recommended for celebrity lives and celebrity lives used to these perfumes is the best one popular one products and so you are suggested to you see and how to use and coco channels perfumes this product is based of one of the most snacks greatest and best branded perfumes and our second largest brand is Doir makeup. Doir makeup is a Christian Doir makeup fragrance and accessories for women product located in France, Paris, and this brand is also luxury good and company. All of the product are women who beauty foundations like stiff glitter and all makeup bags and Doir makeup sets. So the USA beauty markets one of the these Doir makeup foundations is the superpower of the product and super product is nude air perfume sectors and Doir makeup foundations might be a party functions aim of the dresses you the like darkness as a celebrity of the ones and celebrity Jessica is also good products and Sephora makeup is best products and Sephora is third largest company of the world and USA based brand of the Sephora.coms and makeup products, fragrance tools and skincare, eye lips, eye faces and all of the product women products are makeup product and makeup beauty products are released and non-really product are also in this website and makeup brands are also find you able to find and maintain also you get like Amazon and details of USA, Canada, Malaysia, Asia and USA popular of the ones and makeup foundations and makeup kit is based of the super of Sephora popular brands and super Sephora popular brands in all in one features and makeup kits sets and skincare all of the moisturizer full moisturizing in these topics and all sets all type of all color sets are available in these features so you recommended to in this used to also highly cheap prices and best brands and K Bond makeup brands is fourth brand this brand is fourth lipstick start and bought in 36 countries reached at the time the awards and more than 60 award winning award products in this vegan makeup brands. Vegan makeup brand is celebrated 99% mark of the reality product of a brand update to times. And vegan tattoo liners is also trends on the USA. Best product popular products in the vegan beauty. Vegan beauty is worldwide on tattoo liners and pigment unique work great look and tattoo styles of 2021 and all day long we are that waterproof liners and still resistance Morphe brands fifth level of the in 18 reviews in the fifth more searches on the googles and brands and process Morphe is the big breaking down beauty product retailer for gift Morphe and Ulta Beauty and brush sets and iconic cheek winning and company of the eyelashes process this Morphe brand is also best high level professional best quality of the USA beauty marketer and friendly Morphe brands. And Fenty Beauty is the make of the brands is Rihanna Phelps. Rihanna Phelps is also a celebrity and celebrity Fenty Beauty and shop design all types of the sets finder count this video and find see this Rihanna Phelps. Rihanna is also make of in look like a chicks and lip paint is a favorite very Fenty Beauty. Favorite beauty plants is long lasting and long wear lipstick soft matte and Tarte makeup. Seventh is the Tati makeup brands. Tati makeup is unique and fastest natural highly performance brands and cosmetic sectors in targeted in USA, UK, Australia, and all the world. So you are many informations on the slimtoslim.coms, and go and see and learn how to makeup products, and how to select makeup products, and how to best branded product are selected, and on the USA, on USA styles and USA celebrity styles. And so I'll go suggested and read this post. And it is Clinique makeup brands is for moisturizer are used to skins makeup start. And so 9 is YSL makeup fragrance, skincare and makeup products and gift ideas is also viral in the USA and all of the world. And YSL makeup is the ninth beauty makeup best brands and best brand lipstick for most popular and YSLs. And third largest carrying brands and legit and full luxury brands. And YSL beauty lipsticks is best popular for you. And now the storm Amazons like also around Google searches lasted. And Minali makeup is 10th high ranking. And Milani is a good brand. George's collection affordable, authentic, luxurious, and highlighted and browser is the best affordable for you. And Milani is showing Milani supported by passions of the reals. So we welcome Milani product is fuel for you of beauty liners and highlighting for you makeup brightness. Charlotte Tilbury makeups 11th ranking on 18 in 18. Charlotte is a pillow talk makeup method. Charlotte anti-aging cream is reducing the look, the light photos, eyeliner is reducing liner, skin line. Skin line is reducing from your in these creams, night creams. Night cream use the best of the uh, idea for you. And L'Oreal makeup is 12th. And L'Oreal 100% real product and hair care and best product of the world, and non-toxic and without mercury foods and all of the goods. And L'Oreal mascara is the best trends on the Googles, and carbon black premium sets and best of the most of the one popular products. Gucci brands is I and Gugia and fashion bag, belt and soy glasses and fragrances. But one product is glasses is the best popular for Googie brands. And hard candy is cosmetic brands, and hard cosmetic brand is the best for primer for use to start makeup. And NARS eyeliner. And Maybelline brands is a older brand. And Chicago network American brands. And like Sephora, Amazon, and New York retailers. And VV product is one of the most popular products. And 17th Lancome makeup brands. Land is established on the Paris. It is also largest company in the Paris and USA. Lancome eye cream is a most popular one products. Huda Beauty makeup brands is the best cheap and largest all in cosmetics. And American artist Huda Khatan is owner in these brands. And this product is integrated in natural things, high quality, non-chemical used in these brands. This brand plates it's amazing looks and it's amazing. All sets of the colors are unique, and so you recommended this 18th brand product are used popular one product. Go and see and slimtoslim.coms, and all of the many clothes, celebrity trends and lifestyle beauty and safe swimsuits and all of the beauty brands are reviews in these websites. So recommended for you. Thanks you, and like this video and subscribe these channels.